Hey, what's up guys? I've got a situation with this car regarding the door lock and the windows. If I want to take up the power window in the back, it does not work. As you can see, nothing is moving. If I want to lock and unlock the car, it works on all the doors except of the back one. You can open it, right? But when it comes to closing it, it's not working. Right? Right now, when I was showing to you that the lock doesn't work, it actually stopped working, all of them. And right now it starts again. This car is crazy. I'm telling you, this car is crazy. See? Sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't. That's crazy. But anyway, the back lock is not working at all. I think it's something wrong with the motor, or we will see what we're gonna find, as well as the power window. So let's open this door panel and see what's going on. So in order to remove the door panel, you've got one screw here and one here. Now just lift the door panel and it comes out. And if you look back here, you gotta disconnect the door latch. Right? You've got this regular latch system. So let's see. You pry it out and then release the hook. Let's remove these clips as well. And the door panel can sit down like that. Let's take out this cushion. And if you look down there, you're gonna find a connector, which obviously you want to take it out. So you press on this guy and then you pull it out. And down here we've got the window motor, which doesn't work. So let's see what's going on here. Attempt to disconnect this. Okay, so I've got two clips here, one on each side. So I'm going to apply 12 volts to these guys. Alright, so I've got a car battery here with 12 volts. Now let's see on the connector. I'm going to back probe them and let's see. Okay, so nothing happened. It was quite a simple diagnose here. With the 12 volt supply I tried to connect it, but the motor doesn't move, so I'm going to remove the motor from here. So with a T27 you've got 3 bolts. Alright, so now since this guy is not moving, you cannot twist it in either direction. I'm going to take out the motor and see what's going on here. So with a T20 you've got 4 bolts around. I actually found out that this rotor is moving if I twist the motor as well. It's a very slow movement, and that explains why you cannot twist it from here, because the gear ratio doesn't allow that. I will reconnect this on the window switch. On this power window switch it is possible to take it out, but in order to install it back it's impossible. So I'm gonna cut it out. I'm gonna cut this area because there is no other way I can do this. I connected my voltmeter to those two thick wires, and as you can see, once I press I can see 12 volts, right? So we've got power to the connector. So to me that's a pretty good confirmation that this motor is bad. I will not even install it back because there is no point. And now, since you've got this motor opened, I connected back the assembly on that rotor, and now when I spin the motor with my hand, the window should be able to roll down. You can see the window is slowly rolling down. So in my situation the conclusion is we've got 12 volts at the connector. The physical mechanism is not broken or stuck. It's just the motor that doesn't act, it doesn't spin. So that's how you diagnose this power window. Alright, so now let's see what's going on with this locker. Okay, so it looks like mechanically it works, but not electronically. So in order to take out the door lock actuator, you need a M8. Alright, so in order to take out the door lock from here, we gotta take out all this window assembly. So I've got basically 4 T45s. One is here behind this cushion, one is down here, and then if you look on the other side, you've got one back there. You get access from here, and then the last one is down there. You get access from inside. Okay, let's try with the window up. So what I did, I just disconnect the latch from here. So make sure that you don't ruin your window. And finally, here it comes, guys, the door lock actuator. And down here, I didn't catch on camera, but this spring was not in the hole. I just put it back in the hole, and now the door lock should work. So let's see. Okay, so it works. Alright, so now it works. Luckily on this door actuator you've got the spring outside, so you can easily get access to it. So from this point, guys, the installation is the reverse process of removal. I'm not gonna show it to you because this video is gonna be so long. Alright guys, so that was pretty much it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Also, if you are new to this channel and you want to see more car repair videos from me, hit that subscribe button as well. I will also publish maintenance and diagnose videos on different vehicles. So stay tuned for that, and I will see you soon.